Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to customize the keyboard settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. So, first go to somewhere where we can type or open our keyboard and click this gear button. Here you have all the options of a keyboard, for example, language, writing assistant, drawing assistant, predictive text, auto replace, suggest text corrections, suggest emojis, themes, modes, layout, translation, save screenshots to clipboard, and many more. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.